Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another GeoFS fun flight. Friends, I'm going to take you on another excursion, and I'd like you to try and guess where I am. While we're flying, friends, I will be playing another couple tunes from Audio Hero. Friends, I do want to remind you that Audio Hero is a subscription music service, but it is also a perk you get with a paid subscription to TubeBuddy. Friends, if you haven't tried TubeBuddy, there will be a link in the description. All right, my friends, so sit back, enjoy the music, check out the sights, and let's get cracking. Alrighty, friends, so there you have it. Just a fun flight over something I'm hoping you're able to figure out. Remember, friends, if you do figure out what it is, please add it in the comments below. Friends, don't forget there is a link in the description so you can try out TubeBuddy. I use it on every video I create. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.